So could you firstly define the term Ramadhaan?
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala ali wa sahbihi ajmain. The word Ramadan is derived from the Arabic word ramida or ar-ramad, which means intense scorching heat and dryness. It's also derived from the Arabic word ramda, which means sun-baked sand. In Islamic terminology, the word Ramadan, it signifies the intense heat in the stomach due to thirst. When a Muslim fasts, the thirst that is there, it produces heat in the stomach, which is defined as Ramadan. Again, Ramadan, it has another meaning. It means that the good deeds, they scorch the sins and the evil of a Muslim. So Ramadan is a month in which the sins are scorched away by the good deeds, like how a sun scorches the ground in the same way. And heat, normally, it helps in forming, molding, or reshaping virtually every matter. In the same way, Ramadan helps in molding, shaping, and reforming the spiritual and the moral aspects of the human being. That is the reason we term this word as Ramadan.